You've probably seen hundreds of videos claiming you can make money online with no effort. But today, I'm going to show you something a little different. The lazy copy and paste methods that actually work in 2025. These are simple, repeatable ways real people in the US are earning between $100 and $1,000 a month, without needing a degree, fancy gear, or advanced skills. So grab your coffee, relax, and let's go step by step through 5 lazy methods that really pay. Method number 1. Content reposting. You can literally make money by reposting videos, reels, or TikToks legally. The trick is using content that's under a Creative Commons license, or by joining official repost programs from content creators and brands. Here's how to do it. First, go to YouTube and filter your search results by Creative Commons. Second, download a few short clips using a free site like Y2Made or Snapsave. Third, edit them together using CapCut or Canva Video Editor. Add captions, trending background music, maybe your own intro or outro. And finally, re-upload them on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. You're not stealing, because Creative Commons gives you the legal right to republish as long as you credit or slightly transform the content. Here's the lazy monetization part. Once your reposted channel starts getting traction, you can earn from ad revenue, affiliate links, or sponsorships. But if you want faster money, join creator repost programs. Some brands actually pay you to repost their content for exposure. Sites like Cameo for Business, Pexel's Influencer Program, and even the TikTok Creator Rewards Program let you upload approved clips and get paid per view or lead. And because you're using pre-made videos, all you're doing is copy, paste, post, and wait. Lazy? Definitely. Effective? Absolutely. Now, let's talk about the most proven copy-paste method that still works in this era. Affiliate marketing. You don't need to create your own product, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. You simply recommend products you like and earn a commission when someone buys through your link. Here's the lazy way. Step 1. Sign up for free affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or PartnerStack. Step 2. Browse trending products in popular niches. Think fitness gadgets, kitchen tools, or AI software. Step 3. Copy your unique affiliate link. Now you'll need somewhere to post that link, and this is where the copy-paste magic comes in. Use platforms that already have traffic, like Quora Answers, Pinterest Pins, YouTube video descriptions, Reddit threads where it's allowed, or even TikTok videos using trending hashtags. You can literally copy the brand's product image, paste it into a Canva template, write a one-sentence caption like, "This gadget changed how I cook at home," and drop your link. Want proof this works? A new affiliate can earn between $50 and $300 a week just by sharing links consistently. Once you have traffic, the commissions snowball because affiliate income keeps coming from past clicks. Pro tip: shorten your links using bit.ly or tinyURL so they look clean. And always disclose that your post contains affiliate links that keeps you compliant with the FTC in the US. This is the ultimate lazy method. Copy brand images, paste them in Canva, post daily, and let affiliate payouts roll in. You don't need followers, fancy editing, or a website, just consistency. So far, we've covered 2 proven copy and paste methods: content reposting and affiliate marketing. Next, we'll dive into Canva templates, resale rights, and automated tools that make online income almost fully hands-off. Method number 3. Selling Canva templates and digital products. You don't need to be a designer. Canva already has thousands of ready-made layouts for planners, social media posts, ebooks, resumes, and more. The key is to pick a product that's in demand, customize it slightly, and sell it online. Here's how to start. First, choose a niche, for example, productivity planners, wedding templates, or social media kits. Second, customize a template in Canva. Change fonts, colors, and text to make it unique. Third, export it as a PDF or PNG. Next, sell it on Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Once uploaded, your template can sell over and over, making it almost fully passive income. Lazy tip: use free Canva resources to create multiple templates at once. Then, schedule posts or listings to automatically appear online. Some sellers earn $200 to $500 a month per template, and some top sellers earn thousands. Method 4. PLR products. PLR stands for private label rights. These are digital products like ebooks, courses, or guides that you can legally rebrand and sell as your own. You don't write a single word, just customize the cover, maybe add a short intro, and you're ready to sell. You can sell these products on Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Combine this with affiliate marketing for even higher earnings. For example, recommend a kitchen gadget in a PLR cooking ebook. This method is perfect for lazy online entrepreneurs because you're using pre-made content, giving it your spin, and selling it multiple times. Finally, method 5. Automation tools. Once you have content reposts, affiliate links, or digital products, you can automate posting, marketing, and sales. This means you can earn money while doing literally nothing. For example, schedule affiliate posts on Pinterest using Tailwind. Automate TikTok reposting using tools like Metricool. Set up email autoresponders for digital product sales through MailChimp or ConvertKit. Automation lets you maintain consistency without spending hours online. In fact, many lazy earners make $500 to $1,000 a month fully automated. So far, we've covered 5 methods: content reposting, affiliate marketing, Canva templates, PLR products, and automation tools. And all of them are designed for one thing: lazy, repeatable online income. Now for part 3, let's scale your income. Copy and paste methods are great, but to turn $100 a week into $500 or more, you need to multiply your efforts without adding work. Here's how. First, duplicate your best performing posts. If a TikTok or YouTube short performs well, repost similar content across platforms. Second, bundle products. If one Canva template sells well, make a whole set and sell them as a pack. Third, cross-promote. Share your affiliate links in email lists, social media, and even free mini-courses. Automation helps you scale while staying lazy. The key is strategic repetition, not more work. Even lazy methods can fail if you make these mistakes. First, copying without permission. Always check licenses or PLR rights. Second, ignoring disclosure rules. Use law requires affiliate disclosure with hashtags like #ad. Third, not tracking your income. You won't know what works unless you monitor clicks and sales. And fourth, expecting overnight success. Lazy doesn't mean instant. Consistency is key. Finally, let's talk mindset. Lazy methods aren't about avoiding work completely, they're about working smart. Focus on systems, not hustle. Treat your online channels like a mini business. Automate and reuse content wherever possible. Even if you start small, patience plus smart repetition leads to consistent income. So there you have it, 5 lazy copy and paste methods to earn online. Content reposting, affiliate marketing, Canva templates, PLR products, and automation tools. Start with 1, focus for a month, and watch how your income grows. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more smart ways to earn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.